Alright, yung gabi sa tanan, yung gabi sa tanan. Shoutout sa mga fans naton da. Shoutout sa mga tunay kong homies. Shoutout. Guys, it's already 2:59. Ay, wala na. 3 a.m. in the morning. And i-try ko yung gawin ng TFN naton. Kaya syempre, dumadamo kita sa cancellation of classes. May pambalinog, may mapa bagyo, tanan na lang, ayambot. Anyway, let's go kay Faye Glenn Abdella. Guys, malawig-lawig na siya si Faye Glenn Abdella. Alright? Kaya nga 21 gid iya nga problema. 21 nursing problems. Theory. Gabi no kada mo problema yagin isip yagid din sulat yagid 21. So nursing is based on an art and science that molds the attitudes, intellectual competencies, and technical skills of the individual nurse into the desire and ability to help people sick or well cope with their health needs. Tandaan nyo yung mga sick or well ni Blauna. Alright, she is a pioneer in nursing research who developed the 21 nursing problems. Siya na, 21 nursing problems. Nga guys, lang tawa tsura ya, do 21 pilots. Nga, di ba? 21 pilots. Na, do piloto, tsura ya. Na, ay. Banda, basta, balaan nyo na. 21 pilots, araw, tandaan nyo lang, 21 pilots, lang tawa tsura ya, si Faye Glenn Abdella. Alright? She was the first nurse officer to earn the ranking 2-star Rear Admiral. Araw, Admiral, Deputy Surgeon General. Guys, ara tandaan, do Admiral Churaya, kay do piloto. Charot. Sa uniform ya. Alright? Dito kita, gingamit yang 14 basic human needs ni Henderson. Alright, si Henderson, maagyan naton. Pero subong si Faglan Abdelane. Alright, education as a researcher. Guys, tandaan nyo lang 1949, na-meet niya si Lucille Petri Leon, who was the first nurse officer and decided to join the public health service. Napodya, public health service. Alright, so public health nurse siya. Alright, public health nurse siya. Theory description, alright, nursing model is intended to guide care in hospital institutions but can also be applied to community health nursing as well. Right? Theory assumption, this relates to change and anticipated changes that affect nursing. They need to appreciate the interconnectedness of social enterprise and social problems. Guys, amo na ganun, it all interconnects lang gid ang problema sa social, alright? Kag sa health ni patient, of course, ga-affect man siya sa nursing, alright? Ano nga mga problems ini? Ga-affect, of course, guys, affect or impact of problems such as what are poverty, racism, pollution, education, and so forth on health and healthcare delivery. So, that liwat na, connect lang na sila tanan. Alright? Next, major concepts and definitions, individual, health, society, nursing problems, problem solving. Guys, sa health lang, total health needs and a healthy state of mind and body. Alright, amo ni ang wala gid man si Faye Glenn Abdella nag-define sa health pero ginambal niya nga total health needs and a healthy state of mind and body. Alright, society, nursing problems, problem solving. Alright guys, are sub-concepts, may ara siya 4 ka kategory. Ang 21 nga nursing problems na. Ang 21 nga na guys, may ara siya 4 ka kategory. Dulom. Boom! Alright. Alright. Kaya pala na ako mag-alright. Alright. Guys, ara sa 4 ka categories. Anong 4 mini categories? Basic needs, sustained, remedial, and restorative. Alright. Basic needs. Guys, sa basic needs, isang patient, di ba, 21 nursing problems. Guys, ang problema, hindi ang not necessarily nga gid sa nurse, pero to syempre, ga-nurse kita or naga-care kita kay bangod nga para kay para kay patient gyapon. So balik kita diya kay patient. Basic needs, they are to maintain good hygiene, physical comfort, promote optimal health. Guys, basic needs o rest and sleep, mga na exercise, mga na basic okay? Prevention of health hazards like accidents, injury, or other trauma. Basic needs, guys, basic needs. Alright? Number 1 to 4 na siya. Right? Number 1 to 4. Sustainable care needs, pag-sustain. This facilitate the maintenance. Sustain or maintenance. Maintain. Alright? of a supply of oxygen to all body cells, facilitate the maintenance of nutrition, oxygen to all body cells, amo lang na, elimination, maintenance of elimination, pagpamuson, alright? Mula na guys, sustain, alright? Next, remedial care needs. Remedial, these are to identify and accept positive and negative expressions, feelings, and reactions. Identify and accept the interrelatedness of emotions and organic illness. Facilitate the maintenance of effective verbal non-verbal communication, promote the development of productive interpersonal relationships, blah, 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 blah. Remedial, ari siya, 12 to 18, din ang 12. Identify, accept positive, negative expression, identify, accept interrelatedness, facilitate maintenance of effective verbal. Guys, in short, do, remedial, in short, do, paano kita magbulig kay patient, ba? Nga mag-accept sang negative or positive ng mga expressions, feelings, and reactions. That's it. Paano kita mag-care or paano kita mag-storya sa patient. Amo na siya. Next is restorative. Restore. Magamit tayo. Restore. Balik. Okay? This include the acceptance of the optimum possible goals in light of limitations, both physical and emotional. Restore, guys, ay balik na siya. Restorative. Anong term na sa iligay nun? Ano na lang, use of community resources as an aid to resolving problems that arise from illness, and the understanding of the role of social problems as influential factors in the case of illness. Abdullah's work, which is based on the problem-solving method, serves as a vehicle of delineating nursing problems as the patient, blah, 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 blah. Yari. Abdullah's typology of 21 nursing problems. These fall into 3 categories. Una, physical, social, emotional needs of patient. Ikadua, interpersonal relationships between the patient and the nurse. And ikatatlo, common elements of patient care. So, una, basic needs. Ikadua, interpersonal relationships. Amo to ginabla. Ang remedial, amo na, i-connect ya ang feelings, expressions, reactions na. And common nga patient care. Pag-ayo gid. Guys, hindi tagid pagpadalman gid ni isa-isa because it's very self-explanatory. Alright? 1 to 21. Maintain good hygiene, physical comfort sa patient, of course. Maintain good hygiene, physical comfort. Hindi nga daw gakiway ang pasyente. Dapat komportable siya. Promote optimal activity. Ano guys, dapat nami exercise, nami tulog, nami nga pahuway. Promote safety by preventing accidents, of course. Hindi taman pagpabayaan ng pasyente. Hindi ta siya hindi ta pag himuon lang ialagyan nga madanlog, nga kung sa diin lang sa diin lang nga naga-promote sang injuries or accidents, guys, dapat likawan na naton. Dapat i-prevent na naton. Of course, preventing the spread of infection, dapat tinlo perme. Amo na. There's basic needs. Basic needs kung anong ginubragin sang nurse. Maintain good body mechanics, prevent and correct the deformity. Do pwede ni gani maisa ka number lang gin next number pa. Para man sa damo inyo sa uluhon kuno amo na. Facilitate maintenance supply oxygen, nutrition. Ay, nako nagyanta na ni. Ang nursing liwat. Alright? Ara na ako. Maintenance of fluid electrolyte balance, guys, pwede sila isahon tani. Pero sige lang, kaya muna si Faglin Abdullah, ginapalawig ang reklamo, ang problema. Alright? Sige lang. Number 9, recognize physiologic response of the body to disease conditions, pathologic, physiologic, and compensatory to facilitate the maintenance of regulatory mechanism and functions, facilitate the maintenance of sensory function, basic needs. Ari na si 12 expressions ni. Sorry. Around that. Feelings, reactions, sa mga ginaba ko bla, more of interpersonal, alright? Interrelatedness, interpersonal, same gyapon. Emotions, ari na siya. Na facilitate maintenance of effective verbal non-verbal communication, of course, dapat ang patient nag-share siya. And dapat kung hindi naton hindi naton bla makita ang kung anong gusto yan balo, at least makita naton sa non-verbal communication, non-verbal cues ya, alright? Kay wala man lang kita sa basic needs ng patient mo kung paano siya payon. Of course, as a whole, kay nurses kita, as a whole, alright, emotions, spiritual, ginaayo naton si patient. Amo na ng term, ayo na lang, ginabuligan, alright? Promote the development of productive facilitate progress toward achievement, personal, spiritual goals. Inamba ko na lang. Maintain a therapeutic environment, of course. Facilitate awareness and varying physical, emotional, and developmental needs, accept optimum possible goals in light of limitations, physical, emotional, guys. So, for example, si patient na utda ng TL, restorative na ni. So, accept na lang ang optimum possible goals. Optimum possible goals, mga posible nga goals. Guys, hindi na pwede ka soccer, utod iya TL. Alright? Aron, may ara na guro. Pero guys, batunon, to accept the optimum possible goals. Mga posible na lang ang mga goals, guys. In the light of what? Limitations. For example, limitations, guys, na limitahan iya paglakat, iya paglagan, kinutod, iya TL, something like that. Alright? Physical and emotional. To use community resources as an aid in resolving problems that arise from illness, to understand the role of social problems and factors in the cause of illness. Kadamo sa problema ni Feglen Abdela. Alright. 10 steps to identify the patient's problems. Learn to know the patient, of course. Kilalahon niya ng patient. Sort out relevant and significant data, mga importante. Alright guys, so for example, nabatian mo kay ginambay si mama, so una napatay sa high blood, high blood, sagli importante na. Hindi nga favorite color ya is violet. Mga man nabla guys, importante man violet guys, pero syempre mas importante nga balaan mo ang family history. Mga significant gid bala guys. Make generalizations about available data concerning sa blah, 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 other patients. Therapeutic plan. Identify therapeutic plan. Test generalizations. Continue to observe, evaluate patient over a period of time. Explore the patient and their family's reactions. So, therapeutic plan, involve them in the plan, of course. Discuss and develop a comprehensive nursing care plan. 11 nursing skills to develop a treatment typology. Observation of health status. Dapat bala na ito ng health status ni patient. Skills of communication. Dapat kabalugid niya magstorya ang nurse. Alright, kabalugid siya magstorya. Application of knowledge. Hindi nga palagpat lang. Although tundaan mo guys, pero dapat kabalo ka mag-apply sa imo tinunan. Alright? The teaching of patient and families. Pwede na actually magsulod sa skills of communication. Pero sige lang, alayin gid kung gatudlo ka. Kung kabalo ka magtudlo sa mga kung nurse ka, dapat kabalo ka magtudlo. Ala sir, nurse ko, tapos maestro pagid kuya, maestra pagid kuya, yes. Dalagi na iya. Planning, use of resource materials, use of personal resources, problem solving, of course, direction of work of others. Kay guys, para magayong patient, hindi lang man nurse ang kinanlan. Alright, damo gid. Therapeutic uses of the self, nursing procedure. Alright, as you can see, the focus of care pendulum, ari siya, by Faye Abdallah, Faye Glenn Abdallah. Abdallah also explained nursing as a comprehensive service which includes recognizing the nursing problems of the patient, deciding the appropriate course of action, blah, blah, blah. Providing ko this. Guys, ano yung tawag ni Gila? This is your pendulum. Ang pendulum, bala nyo, kita nyo ang pendulum sa relo. Ay, sa mga grandfather clock na bla, sa mga relo, sa mga dako na bla nga relo, kita nyo na hanggang mo na. Pendulum na. So, pendulum na to, ari na. Sa kilid, si nursing centered. Nursing centered. Nurse, alright? Sa tunga, si client-centered. Sa punta, sa right day, this is your disease-centered. Ari, disease-centered. Kaya nga, guys, nursing-centered, of course, nurses, no? Kilid, disease-centered. Tapos sa tunga, si client-centered. Nga, sa tunga, si client. Kaya guys, importante si client. That's why sa tunga na siya per me. Alright? Nagabalik-balik na siya. Pendulum. Nursing-centered, ang pag knowledge ni nurse para magbulig kay client o sa kay client, disease, sakit, patient, nursing. Amo na siya. Tandaan ng tatlong niya, ara. Mo na siya. Do ang buta pa, no, ni Feglen Abdela, pero do may, ano na siya, ayambot kakapoy kay Feglen Abdullah. Basta mo na guys, tandaan lang ng tatlo ni. Magamba focus of care pendulum, tandaan lang ng tatlo regardless guys kung ano question tandaan nyo lang, pwede nyo na masabat. Alright? And patient centered approaches to nursing. Wala. Yay! Conclusion.